so today we're going to do a stoichiometry problem. Okay, first of all, we're just going to find the balance reaction. Okay, so let's just write down the equation. Silver nitrate plus copper becoming copper NO3 plus silver, right? Now there's a very easy way to balance equation. Okay, so first just draw a line in between on the arrow here. Okay, and then each of the element you will have to write on both sides. So here we take Ag. Okay, NO3 is actually a polyatomic ion. Okay, so because of that we will group it together, so NO3 here and copper, same on both sides. Okay, now let's just write down how many Ag do you see on the left side. So here you have 1 NO3, 1 copper, 1. On this side you have Ag1 NO3 2, because you can see here there is given 2 there. This 2 is only for the NO3 and copper is only 1. So we can see Ag looks like it's balanced, right? But NO3 is not. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply NO3 on the left side with 2. So this is going to give us 2. But once we do this, right, there is next step. You cannot just like multiply NO3 with 2 and be done with it. No. Whatever that is connected to NO3, so in this case silver, you need to multiply that with 2 as well. So here now you have 2 silver. So silver become unbalanced, isn't it? So now you have 2 on the left side and 1 on the right side. So you gotta multiply on the right side with 2, so it's gonna become 2. Okay? So you have everything balanced. Ag balance, NO3 balance, copper balance. So what do you need to write? You need to write the one that you multiply with. So Ag, NO3 you multiply with 2, so you're gonna write 2 in front here. Ag you multiply with 2, so you just write 2 here. Okay? So now we have our balance equation, which is AgNO3, 2 AgNO3 plus copper gives copper nitrate plus 2 Ag. Okay? I hope this makes sense. Okay, so that's the first question. Now, second question. Determining the limiting reactant. Okay, so let's just rewrite the balance equation first. So we have 2 AgNO3 plus copper becoming copper NO3 2 plus 2 Ag, right? So what I like to do here is, let me just change something nicer. Okay, pink it is. Okay, so what I like to do here is I like to write in a table kind of way. Okay, so first we have 65 grams of both reactants. So which one is our reactants? The one on the left side. So here the AgNO3 and copper are our reactant. And the question says that we have 65 grams both of them. So each of the reactant is 65 grams. Okay. Now to determine which is the limiting reactant, we need to find the mole. Okay, so this is the gram. We have the gram, right? Always remember, I like to say that the currency of chemistry is the mole. Okay, that means anything you need to do in chemistry, you always need to change it to mole. So first we need to change the gram into the mole. Okay, so we have what? So how to find the mole? So mole is what? gram divided by the molar mass. The given gram, so mole equals to given gram divided by molar mass. Okay, so for mole of AgNO3, right? So mole of AgNO3 is gonna be given gram, which is 65 gram. Now what is the molar mass of AgNO3? That's you need to find through the periodic table, okay? So it is 169.87. Okay, so 65 divided by 169.87. So this is gonna give us 266, so 0.38. Or you need to be correct, having correct sigfic at the end of your answer. So but now let's just be more accurate. Okay, so now what is the mole of copper? So here we'll just write mole of AgNO3 is 0.3826. Now finding the mole of copper, right? Same thing. Given mass 65 gram divided by the molar mass of copper, which is 63.546. Okay, so 65 divided by 63.546, you have equals to 1.0229. Okay, so here you have 1.0229 mole. Okay, both of them are mole. Okay, now what? Okay, this is one. Okay, now what? Now you have the mole of silver nitrate and copper. Now what? Now we have to find the limiting reagent, and this is actually really simple. Okay, really simple. So first, what do? You take the mole, you divide it by coefficient. Now what's coefficient, you ask? So coefficient is the number in front of the balance equation. So here we take the number of mole, which is 0.3826 divided by 2. Okay? And then in copper 1, we take what? 1.0299 divided by, because, okay, see, what's the copper coefficient? It's actually 1. If that's nothing, that means 1. So just divide by 1. Okay, doing this, let's just find the answer. 0.3826 divided by 2. So we have 0.1913. This one's gonna be 1.0299. So doing this, so which one is going to be our limiting reagent? The one with the lesser number, okay, or the lower number. So in this case, AgNO3 is our limiting reagent. AgNO3. Okay, yeah, so because we do not have much time, I don't think we will be able to do number 3 and number 4. So if you want help with number 3 and number 4, you can contact me. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.